Hey y'all, real quick tutorial on first of all how to record a Google Meet, what happens to it, and how to put it into a Google Classroom. So here we are in a Google Meet. Come down to the three dots down in the lower right hand corner, more options, click on it at the very top, record meeting. Click, it'll say ask for consent. Sure, I give consent to get recorded on this, and it is now recording. You get a small recording light up in the corner that lets everyone know that it is being recorded, and it's good. So we get done with the recording, everybody leaves the room, stop recording. It's now going to actually record into my Google Drive. Let's look on Google Drive and see what that looks like. So if you go to Google Drive, My Drive, and you get done with the spinning circle, down if you have it in alphabetical order, in Meet Recordings. It's a new folder that was created when you first started your recording. These are the videos that are processing right now. If it's red, it means it has not processed. The blue Google Doc is actually the transcript of the chat that is going on during your meet. We have one video that's processed and a couple that are kind of waiting. So here's how we're going to get this meet into our Google Classroom, because the goal is to kind of get students to watch it if they weren't able to actually be on the meet, right? So we're going to title it Video Meet for 6/2020. This is our video, and then we're going to click Add. Google Drive. It's going to open our Google Drive. If we've messed around in the folder, it may come up first, it may not. So we're going to go to Drive, and there we go. Meet Recordings. I'm going to add this one. It's there. So now I have, under Material, created a video meet. I'm going to post it for all students, and it shows up in the stream. Posted new material, video meet. It's also under classwork, video meet. So we're there. Now students should be able to open it, click on it, and watch it. There we go. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Well, that wraps up another great episode of Innovate Your Classroom. Stay tuned for more with Chris,
Sarah, Krishana, Paige, Stacy,
and Rob.